In order to add social media links to your Constant Contact emails, you need to know which URLs to use. In this short video, we'll go over how to find the URL for a Facebook profile or business page. To begin, let's start with the URL for your personal Facebook page. Once you're logged into Facebook, click your name in the upper right. Then, copy the URL in your address bar. With your URL copied, you can now insert it into your Constant Contact emails. Need help inserting social media icons? Check out our tutorial on that. Next, let's go over finding the URL of a Facebook business page. From the Facebook homepage, click Pages on the left side. Click on your business page from the list of pages you manage. Then, copy the URL in your address bar. With that URL copied, you can insert it as a link in your Constant Contact emails. And that's how easy it is to find the URL for a Facebook profile or business page so you can link to it in your Constant Contact emails.